welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I got from kylieskin.com, and if you want to see that, continue watching. So of course, Kylie Skin came in this beautiful pink box, and when you open it, it looks like this, and it says Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner. I like all the pink vibes because the box is pink, everything is pink, and it looks super cute. Like, I just want to order it just because it's pink. The first thing I ordered was this Kylie Skin thingy. What is this? What would you call it? Like a headband? I think it's a headband. But yeah, I saw a lot of posts with people using this on Instagram, and I was like, I need to get it. It's pink, it's cute, I gotta get it. So I don't know how you do this. This is like basically to take like your hair out of your face when you to take your hair out of your face when you're washing your face, or like you're doing your makeup or whatever it may be. Hopefully I don't velcro my head. So yeah, it's like this. My hair is out of my face, I could do my makeup, I could wash my face, and I don't gotta worry. I think I'm wearing it wrong. But you get the idea. So yeah, I'm looking at myself here, guys, like a mirror to make sure I was putting it right, but no, that was a fail. So I brought the little package of like the hair clips and all that jazz. So I got the 3 scrunchies. I'm like, okay, Kylie got her own scrunchies. Why? Do they feel different than other scrunchies? So we will find out. I think me my forehead a little bit itchy. I don't know if it's just me, but yeah. So it comes with 3 scrunchies. They're like this, and they feel like normal scrunchies. They don't feel like they're anything better. Like there's nothing better about it than compared to other scrunchies. Are they made out of silk or something? No, it doesn't even say that. I don't know. Probably it's made out of silk. Silk material. I don't know. If you guys know, leave it in the comments down below. I mean, they're really soft and they're really cute, and they come in a little cute pink box, but they're regular scrunchies. The next thing I got was these hair clips. I thought these looked really fancy just because like when you see celebrities like do their hair on Instagram and stuff, they're wearing one of these while they're getting ready, you know, like the bougie look. So I wanted to take pictures like that. That's why I got these, just for the pictures. But yeah. So let's open it. I mean, I love the packaging. Everything is pink. So they look like this. And it's just, you basically remove it. This is rubber. There's gonna be like paper-ish. And you just clip it like that away from your face. That's cute. So when you do your makeup, you have this whole like look. Like, I'm bougie, I'm getting ready. I'm always having technical difficulties with life. That was wrong. Okay. Dumb and it's not like that, but I have to make it look cuter. Probably like pretend like I'm doing like some type of curls or something, just for the picture. But yes, so I got these, and they came in this little box. Next, what came with the whole like bundle deal was these clips, and they're called just salon clips, but they're pink. So they're like this. They're kind of hard, they're not soft at all. So you basically clip your hair away from your face, the same thing as the other thing. So yeah. In all reality, I could have went to the beauty supply store and got myself like some of these hair clips, some scrunchies. Probably they have like a headband that I could push my hair away from my face. This is the only thing I really haven't seen in beauty supply stores. But in all reality, like, I know it's like a silly purchase just because I got it because everything is pink and Kylie, but it wasn't super expensive. I think it was like $28 if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I mean, at least it's pink, right? And it came with some cute little stickers, and the stickers are like this. This was free with purchase, and I'm thinking about like just picking a few and just putting it on my MacBook because they're cute and pink. So that's it, guys. That's all I purchased from Kylie Skin. If you want to see more hauls, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, guys, soar like a butterfly.